see this fence line?
Mm-hmm.
That's 10 feet onto this property. Needs to be moved over. This end moved over 10 feet. Let's see.
How close to those trees back there does it get?
To them.
To the trees, huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll see it as we come around. These are the two chicken houses that are in pretty good shape.
Okay.
This one needs a little roof repair, but there's plenty of tin down below. Go on past it. People been driving back here. These probably could be saved, but they're going to take work now. The kids that got in busted them up pretty good. Boy, the grass has sure grown up since I've been here.
Wow.
Yeah.
There goes the fence line right there.
There's Walmart.
Oh, there goes Walmart right over there.
Yeah.
There goes Walmart.
Yeah. So you're one property away from Walmart.
Yeah.
Now this is zoned commercial.
Okay.
These properties here.
Right there. Okay.
This property is probably untouchable because the real estate downtown bought it.
Uh-huh.
Downtown Young. This property might be available. It's 8 acres.
Okay. Wow. Oh, we got some blue skies today, don't we?
Beautiful skies. Now these buildings are 50 or 60 foot wide. I can't remember.
Okay.
By 300 feet long.
Okay.
So if a
60 by 300 feet.
yeah,
Wow. 300 feet is the size of a football field.
yeah. This is the back property line,
Okay.
and it goes straight, right past the corner of them trees. You can see the fence posts
Right.
up to the railroad tracks.
Okay.
See that dead snag?
Uh-huh.
That's just on the other side of the railroad tracks. So the railroad tracks is between us and it. This tree here is on this side of the railroad tracks.
Okay. So,
This bushy tree, of course, is way inside.
right over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that
So-
railroad track is 1,320 feet
Wow.
on this property. So that's a quarter of a mile.
Quarter mile on the property. Holy,
Yeah.
holy.
So if, down the road you wanted to put a spur where they just drop off and drop back on,
Uh-huh.
that's the City of Tacoma rail line.
Okay.
So you could
Is
run.
it functional?
Oh, yes.
They run through here?
Yes.
Wow. It's active, huh?
Yes. They run a train a day or something. Not very often anymore. But, yeah, they go on down south.
Where's that line go to southbound?
This line goes down to the Aberdeen area.
Oh, crosses over to Aberdeen.
Yeah, so it's not a main line,
Yeah, it's
like
a
going to
subline.
Portland.
Yeah, it's a subline.
It's a subline, yeah.
Going
So
out to Aberdeen.
yeah, you could pick it up in Tacoma
Uh-huh.
and whip up here and jump off.
Okay.
See,
Wow.
if you had your own little thing.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
if you want to draw people from Tacoma,
Sure.
that could be a dinner train or something.
Wow,
A
yeah.
free train ride
Yeah.
if you spend 4 hours at the casino or
Yeah,
something.
yeah, sure.
You see what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Absolutely. Wow.
But it's something that you kind of keep in the back of your head.
Oh, yeah. Okay.